This video will explain how to apply for a visitor visa. Before you start your application, check if you need a visit visa or permission to come to the UK. There is a handy Check if you need a visa tool on gov.uk. The Check if you need a UK visa tool should direct you to the visa that is right for you. For example, if you are coming to the UK for tourism purposes, then you will be taken to the standard visitor visa page. You are not required to book any travel before you apply or before a decision is made on your application. Start. If you are visiting family or friends or visiting the UK for tourism, choose Apply for a standard visit visa. Read all the information on the page. There is further information beneath the Apply Now button that you will require for your application. Have all of your documents and information ready before you start your application. Application. You must apply for a visit visa online. Select your language. Select a country where you will be providing your biometrics. The visa application online process will guide you through a series of pages, which requests the information that helps us assess your visa application. Click Start Now to begin your application form. Please read the questions carefully to ensure you understand the information that is being asked for. There will be guidance throughout the application process to assist you. At the start, you must enter your email and create a password. This will allow you to log back into your application at a later point if needed. You must provide the English spelling of your first name and your family name, how it is shown on your passport or travel document, who you are traveling with, and your family history. You may be asked for your partner's details if you have one, and your parents' details. You will be asked if you have people who financially depend on you, children, and if you know anyone already in the UK. Reason for your travel. You must provide details of where you intend to stay in the UK, including the approximate cost of your visit, and how much money you are planning to spend. You will be asked for details of any relatives in the UK, and anyone who you are staying with. Employment status and financial situation. You must provide your employment status, and you may be asked for proof. You must also provide your estimated monthly living costs. This is what you normally spend a month and details of anyone financially supporting your trip. You will be asked if you have traveled to the UK before and your visa history, or if you have traveled to certain countries. You need to provide as much of your previous 10 years' travel as you can identify. You will be asked about any details of convictions or previous offences. Declaration. At the end of the application questions, you will need to confirm if you understand and accept the visitor visa conditions and that you have read and accepted the declaration. You will be given the opportunity to review your answers and to confirm they are correct. The most common error is entering a name or other personal details incorrectly. You will be given the opportunity to check and confirm these before proceeding to the payment section. If you notice a mistake after you have paid and submitted your application, you need to cancel your application, apply for a refund and start a new application. There is a suggested document checklist that you can select to download during the process, so you know which type of evidence may help us assess your application. You can read the additional guidance, visiting the UK Guide to Supporting Documents, available on gov.uk, to help support you to prepare your application before you start. At the end of your application, you will be given a reference number and an email to confirm the application has been completed. You should retain this email for your records. Payment and biometric information. You will be directed to WorldPay to make your visa application payment. You will then be directed to our supplier's VFS to book an appointment to take your biometrics. That means we will take your fingerprints and a live photograph when you attend our visa application center to submit your application. You will receive an email confirmation of your appointment. Documents. You can upload your supporting documents online free of charge before your appointment day. When you upload your documents, remember that these should be translated into English or Welsh. Name your documents in English with no special characters. Scan of printed documents are accepted. We can't accept encrypted, password protected, or read-only files. You should upload no more than 5 documents at once. You can upload files up to 5 megabytes and make sure to upload all of your files in one session. What happens next? UKVI will start to process your application when you have provided your biometric information. As part of your application, we may need to contact you for further information. This will be within current processing times. You can check online when you can expect a decision on your visa. You do not need to contact us if your visa application is still within the current processing times. You will receive an email when UKVI has made a decision on your application. You will be advised what to do next.